Welcome to Mindful Schools. My name's Devin. Let's begin practicing together with this mindful moment. We'll do a 9-minute practice, bringing our awareness to the visual field as a way to anchor into the here and now. So first, I want to invite us to look around our space. And as you look around, you can just kind of note the different things that your eyes are drawn to. As we begin, I want to invite us to actually look behind us, moving our shoulders and our neck and our head as much as possible. Even if what we're looking at is the wall. Sometimes allowing ourselves to be in the physical movement of looking behind us really cues to our nervous system that this is a place where we can begin to settle because we've checked it out. So the next, process that we'll move into as we settle and practice with our physical environment is I want to invite you to find 5 things in your space that are the color red. You can count them on your fingers if it's helpful. And now 4 things that are the color black. And 3 things that are the color brown. And 2 things that are the color yellow. And 1 thing that's the color purple. This can be a sweet way to really begin moving from what can often arise in our own minds and really draw our attention into connecting with the here and now through looking around, through connecting with the visual field. So now I'll invite a looking around. And in this looking around, I want to invite you to notice what doesn't suck. You can do this in a slow way, noticing maybe even sometimes the details that we may not see in our daily lives. But when we slow down, we're able to bring our awareness and our attention to. So I notice I can see clouds in the sky. Set against beautiful blue. Trees out my window. Reflections of light off of the handles on a chest of drawers. My little dog sleeping in the corner. on his comfy bed. Even reflections of light off of some of the cups in the kitchen. If looking around in this way feels supportive, you can continue to allow the eyes to explore the space with the specific orientation of being aware of what does not suck. Or maybe there's one thing that draws the awareness. And if you notice that there is one thing that's drawing the awareness, you can allow your eyes to rest there. For me, I notice out this window that I can see the leaves and branches moved by a breeze, clouds moving slowly in the sky. Whatever you may be looking at, you can notice what it's like to enjoy what doesn't suck. Maybe there are specific things about what you're looking at that you're appreciating. You can see that the leaves are kind of waxy and so give a reflection of light. That the clouds are moving really slowly and that there's something very soothing about that slow movement. It doesn't have to be as vast as the sky. Sometimes we can find beauty in these really small, surprising places. And we can allow ourselves to rest there, to take it in, to enjoy. So we'll practice in the next 30 seconds, just quietly enjoying what doesn't suck in the visual field. Thank you for practicing with Mindful Schools.